हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. द पोटेंशियल is constant throughout a given region of space. Is the electric field zero or non-zero in this region? Explain. So students, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया गया है that the value of potential is constant, let's say in this region. Now we have to state what will be the value of electric field in this region. For that, please note the key concept of this question, which says that the change in electric potential in a region is given by change in electric potential, let's say delta V. This is given by minus of E dot dr vector. Now we are given that this region में हमारे पास the value of electric potential is constant. So change in value of electric potential, that is V final minus V initial, that is इस point पर पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू और इस पॉइंट पे इनिशियल पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू, दिस डिफरेंस मस्ट बी v माइनस वी जीरो. पोटेंशियल सेम है तो यहाँ भी पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू v होगी, यहाँ भी पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू लेट से v है. तो आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द चेंज इन पोटेंशियल वी विल गेट एज जीरो. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस स्टेटमेंट में वी कैन राइट that is delta v is equals to 0, so 0 equals to minus of E dot dr vector. Now integration of some function, that is electric field, is 0. इसका मतलब ये कि the value of electric field was 0 in that region. So the correct option of this question is the value of electric field inside that region must be 0 in order to have a constant electric potential throughout the region. I hope आपको ये concept समझ जाए students. Thank you.